Guys, it's Judy here from Sassy Cake Decorating. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Today I want to show you this awesome cookie. It's Peppa Pig and it's a puzzle. Enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. It's a big help from you guys. You're awesome. Let's begin. Cut out my template and I cut out my cookies. I baked them and they're all ready to go. I'm starting to decorate Peppa Pig's face. I started with light pink royal icing. It's a 15-second consistency. I outline and fill up my cookie, and with a toothpick or scribing tool, I evenly spread the icing smoothly all over the cookie. Make sure there's no bubbles and give it a small shake. It helps your cookie. This is how I make the face. It's actually royal icing transfers. Mouth, eyes. I pipe a white dollop of royal icing and right over it a black one. I made an extra one because one of them I didn't like. Adding a small dot of white is going to make some reflection and light come out of the eyes. This is Peppa Pig's cheek. We're not allowed to forget that. Here's her ears. They are really easy. Just fill them up. My kids adore Peppa Pig. They love watching her and playing with her toys. You roll, Peppa. When you cut your cookies, don't forget, cut 2 hands and 2 feet. The template does not come with 2, comes only with 1, so remember that. With the feet, I started with the pink. I gave it the crust, and then I made the black shoes. If you color the black in advance, the black deepens and turns into a really strong black. So that's my advice. Color it like a day or 2 advance. The tail is just a teardrop shaped cookie that I flattened out where it's going to be flesh on her dress. And I put some squirrelies to make the shape of the tail. I outline the dress and fill it. Smooth it out with a toothpick. This is a wet and wet technique. I am piping small dots all over the dress, and in those dots I'm piping red dots. It turns out into little loops. I thought it's really cute. My kids loved this cookie puzzle. They liked playing with it. They definitely didn't want to eat it. They wanted to save it. It's a really fun project and activity. Don't forget, let your cookies to dry between 8 to 12 hours. And we're pretty much done.